5-step minimalist skincare routine for glowing skin. Sparkles US favorites. Do you really need 10 steps in your skincare routine? Nope. Let me show you how just 3 simple steps can give you glowing, healthy skin. Gentle cleanser. Morning night use a mild cleanser, no harsh sulfates. Benefits: removes dirt, sweat, sunscreen without stripping skin. Examples: CeraVe, La Roche-Posay, drugstore options. Moisturizer. Locks in hydration, keeps skin barrier healthy. Choose according to skin type: gel cream for oily skin, rich cream for dry skin. Sunscreen. Most important daytime step, protects against aging, dark spots, skin cancer. Go for SPF 30, lightweight, non-greasy. Targeted treatment. Add only if needed: niacinamide, oil control, retinol, anti-aging, or vitamin C, brightening. But keep it one active at a time. Simple, safe, effective. Recap: cleanser, moisturizer, sunscreen, that's it. Try this minimalist routine for 2 weeks and see the difference. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who's skincare obsessed.
Thanks for watching.